Want to learn more about Intuizi's ecosystem? Let's get started. Businesses pushing data into the ecosystem are referred to as signal providers. They are required to have the legal basis through consent to create and process customer data. In order that Intuizi never owns any personally identifiable information, any data processed by Intuizi on behalf of any signal provider is hashed and encrypted by the signal provider on their servers using an Intuizi algorithm. This creates a persistent identifier for any given device, even across different datasets provided by different signal providers. Through this process, Intuizi never knows who an individual device belongs to, but is able to understand the behavior of a given device across multiple datasets from different signal providers. We leverage this encrypted data to provide ultra-fast, in-depth reporting at low costs. This reporting can be used by a signal provider to better understand their own audience, based only on their own data, for better segmentation, ad sales, and product customization. Any given signal provider can derive insight from the data that they provided to Intuizi, but not from that provided by other signal providers, which Intuizi has processed on their behalf, and they can re-identify users as they have the legal basis to do so. Signal viewers, on the other hand, are unable to re-identify users, but they can derive insight from the entire deduped dataset, albeit that they can't see any personally identifiable information, as there isn't any in the platform. And they cannot re-identify users, as they have no legal basis to do so. So, who are the signal viewers? Well, they are the third parties who work with Intuizi to view the data provided by the signal providers anonymously. Signal viewers can create cohorts of anonymized devices that they cannot re-identify based on the anonymized data Intuizi processes from all of its signal providers. If a signal viewer wants to run ads targeting cohorts of devices that have demonstrated specific behaviors that they find interesting, they can become a signal activator. By clicking a button in our platform and giving the details of the endpoint, such as a DSP, within which they wish to run ads, a message is sent to the signal providers who provided the desired devices into the ecosystem, who will then enable the signal activator to run ads to those devices in their DSP of choice by buying the audience they have defined direct from the signal provider, while the legal rights and obligations of all parties concerned are maintained. Be a part of Intuizi's ecosystem to derive insight and use from pseudo-anonymized customer data like never before.